Customer, ebu karibia. Let me educate you the things you should consider before making a purchase of a fridge. Number one, the capacity. Well, for me here, nikona hii TCL fridge. It's 286 liters. It's written here. Number two, the energy consumption. This has an energy consumption of 390 kilowatts per hour per year, which means this fridge is very eco-friendly and very energy saving. Number three, the rating of the fridge. It has a 2-star energy rating, which means aje hii wewe na watu wa Kenya Power hamtawahi patana ama kukosana hata kidogo. Let's dive in. This is where we have the freezer and the fridge. Number four, is it a frost or a no frost fridge? Well, for me here, we have this no frost fridge, which eliminates the need for manual defrosting. Also, it has a multi-airflow system on the freezer, which ensures even distribution of air throughout the fridge. Inaka hivo. Another thing, the storage boxes, are they good enough for your storage? Are they big enough for you? Are they gonna satisfy you? Hizi ziko hivi. Hapo unaweza simamisha vitu kama yogurt, maziwa, mayonnaise, vitu kama vinegar, any spice you want or any sauce you want, you can store it here. Hata mayai yako unaweza panga kwa tray here. And then on the fridge side hapa, we have this glass tempered shelves, which unaweza toa hapa, upange hapa, utoe hapa, upange pale chini, like that. And then it has a humidity control down there on our fresh zone, whereby you can store your vegetables, your groceries, matunda yako, mboga ukienda soko, carrots, nanya, come store there, and then make sure you regulate your humidity control either to minimum or maximum level. Inakuja na hii tray ya mayai. Hii ukipanga mayai yako unaweza kuja ustore hapa, as I had said. And then pia iko na this ice cube tray, which you can place here and you'll get very cold and cubed ice cubes. And then iko na this electric touch control here, whereby unaweza regulate the modes of the fridge or the freezer, and also the temperature of the fridge or the freezer. Just like that, simple. Hizo ni vitu unaweza consider before you make a purchase of a fridge. Na nikikwambia hivyo, nakuzia hii TCL at only 60,000 Kenyan shillings, no more, no less. And on top of that, I give you a free fridge guard, free of charge. You can shop this fridge on our website. You go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke. Ama unaweza kuja hapa kwa store yetu. Tuko located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.